Okay, so a couple of months ago, I showed you how to fix an old, damaged photo using your Samsung Galaxy. But unfortunately, the method involved a lot of precision since you have to carefully delete the missing parts and also have a plain background. However, a lot of things have changed since the One UI 8.5 update, and it's now way easier to fix a photo like this. Let me actually show you. Alright, so we are gonna start by taking a photo of the old damaged photo, and the best part is you can have any kind of background. It doesn't have to be a plain surface like we did in the previous method. Right, so after taking the photo, you want to open the photo in the photo assist tool, so we are gonna tap here. Next, we are gonna tap on the create button, and this opens a page where you can tell the Galaxy AI on what to do with the photo. So we are gonna tell the phone to fix the torn photo and then tap on generate. And as you can see, one simple prompt is gonna fix our old damaged photo. I mean, that is absolutely awesome. Feels like magic. And later on, you can go ahead and crop the photo as per your requirements. This is such an awesome feature, so try this out and let me know in the comments if this worked out for you. Now, the fun doesn't stop here because you can use the Create tool in the Galaxy AI to recolorize your old faded photos. Awesome, right? So check this out. As usual, we're gonna start by taking a photo of this and then later on crop the photo. The cropping part is kinda necessary or else the AI gets confused while recolorizing the photo. So once you are done cropping, you wanna open this in the photo assist tool. Once it opens, tap on create and type in colorize the photo. And you'll see that this kind of restores the colors in the photo. It's not as accurate as it was in the original photo, but still thumbs up from my side because you can use this to restore your old damaged photos. And the possibilities are endless because you can enter prompts like give me a beard, and guess what? This is gonna give me a beard. Okay, that is actually pretty cool. But you know what? This tool really stands apart when it comes to turning daytime photos into night. So open a daytime photo and type turn this into a night photo with stars and moon. And guys, if you're wondering what keyboard I'm using, well, I have a separate video on how to get the keyboard to look exactly like this. I'm gonna link the video here. Anyways, once you generate the photo, you'll see that this turns into a nighttime photo. Awesome, right? And yes, there are stars in the photo, kinda have to increase the brightness if you wanna see them properly. And you can do the same for your nighttime photos, just tell the phone to change this into a daytime photo. Also, I want you guys to pay attention to the light fixtures. The image generation tool is quite smart and you'll see that the light turns off automatically when the phone converts the photo into a daytime photo. Did you see that? Look at the light fixtures and the reflections. I want you to try this out on your phone and leave a comment if this worked out for you. Even though I'm not a huge fan of generative AI, I do find this quite fascinating and cool. And if you are not satisfied with the results, you can always regenerate the photo and the results are gonna be slightly different every time you do this. So I think this one is a bit better. This tool also allows you to blend objects from another image. And I'm talking about proper image blending and not just copy and paste. You know what? Let me actually show you. Right, so you want to start by opening up the image in the Create tool. Now tap on this icon and select the image that you want to add the object from. To demonstrate, I'm just gonna pick the photo of my dog and you'll see that the phone auto selects, but if you want, you can obviously reselect if you wish to. Once you are done selecting, you want to tell the phone where and how you want the object to be blended in the photo. So for example, I'm gonna put the photo of my dog on my shirt. So we'll tell the phone, I'd like to have the photo of my dog on my shirt and generate. And you'll see that the photo of my dog is now on my shirt that I'm wearing. However, you can see that the AI has messed up my arms. I would like to have them in their original position. So for that, we are going to modify the prompt and this time we are going to tell the AI not to alter my arms. And now you're going to see that the generated image is far better. So that is absolutely cool and awesome. And this is just one example. The possibilities are endless with this blend image tool. Right, so that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you next week.